Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to join Wi-Fi network and how to fix incorrect Wi-Fi network password on iPhone and iPad. So without wasting any time, let's get started. And before start, please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to check, go to settings, tap on Wi-Fi, turn on Wi-Fi and try to connect to Wi-Fi. Now tap on your network and iPhone will trying to connect to Wi-Fi. And after a few seconds it shows incorrect password for that network. Tap OK. Now tap on I symbol in front of your network and tap forget this network. Tap forget again. Turn off Wi-Fi, go to iPhone home screen and force restart your iPhone by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. After the force restart, go back to settings, scroll down fine and tap on general. Now scroll down and tap reset and tap reset network settings. Put your iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm in pop-up window. After resetting the network settings, we have to go to setting again, tap on Wi-Fi and turn on Wi-Fi. Now we are going to connect to your Wi-Fi. Tap on your Wi-Fi network. Now put your Wi-Fi password. After putting the Wi-Fi password, tap on join. That's it. Now you will connect to your Wi-Fi network. Hopefully friends, now you will all know how to fix unable to join Wi-Fi network and how to fix incorrect Wi-Fi network password on iPhone and iPad. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.